Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you guys on how to make a face scrub from coffee. This scrub is very simple, very easy to do and very affordable. You can even get all these ingredients in your kitchen. So without further ado, let's start it. This is how it should look like, moist and thick. So I will apply this scrub and it smells so good. Okay, I will apply this scrub on my face and become a coffee zombie. And then leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will go wash my face right now. I will be back. Don't miss me. Yes, I'm back. I already washed my face using facial cleanser, of course, and my skin felt so smooth, so softer than before. I am not lying because what I get if I lie, right? So guys, you should try this coffee scrub because it is very easy to do, it is very simple, and the ingredients also very affordable, only using 4 ingredients, which is olive oil, coffee, sugar and vanilla. But bear in mind, when you're using this coffee scrub, get ready to be messy, and I advise you to do it in your bathroom because it will be messy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.